It is not taking the password.
It's not taking the password. I can't tell if it's a 1 or an L in my password. Let me try it again.
Okay.
So Deem Viewer Quick Connect, you said?
Team Viewer Quick Support.
Oh, Quick Support. Oh, I was on the wrong. Okay, Quick Connect. Okay, got it.
No, sir. It's Quick Support. Team Viewer Quick Support.
Team Viewer Quick Support. Okay. Oh.
QUICK Quick Support.
Ah, okay. Click support. Okay. So I got the app downloaded. What do I do now?
Open it.
Okay. Oh, it wants a username and password again. Do I have a TeamViewer username and password?
I think you have downloaded something. So just go back to the search.
Search in Safari.
T is in Thomas, E is in England, A is in Apple, M is in Mexico. Team, then viewer, quick support, QUICK SUPPORT.
Quick support by TeamViewer, you said. Okay. Oh, now it's asking for another password. It's asking for my Google Play password. Is that my Gmail account? Is that what that is?
Yeah, you can pass.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Password is okay. All right. I think I've got it. So this is about my Apple ID, you said?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I've got TeamViewer installed.
It is downloaded?
Yep,
Yeah,
it's downloaded. Yep. Okay. It's got it open.
What do you see on the screen?
It's asking for my username and password again. My Microsoft ID.
Take it in your asshole, motherfucker.
Excuse me?